how to change the wearable items on the Lightspeed Delta Zulu headset. When we talk about wearable items, the first thing everyone thinks of is the ear seals, and those usually wear out first. But the other items that can wear out and can be changed are the head pad and the mic muff or windscreen. Fortunately for us, Lightspeed makes this easy and sells a refresher kit, and it contains all these components to switch out. It's very easy to do, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. Lightspeed ear seals are some of the easiest ones to change. You'll notice on your new ear seal there's this plastic channel on it, and that's the same thing you're going to find on the headset. To remove your old one, you just pull out. It'll kind of pop out or work its way out. The new one will fit into the same channel. You have two ear seals, right and left are the same. You will notice there's a top and a bottom, and it's pretty easy to figure out which one is which. I always like to turn the headset upside down first, and then kind of work my way around. So kind of start at what is now the bottom, which is the top of the headset, and just kind of work your way around. Once you get it into that groove, it's pretty easy to get it all the way around. Sometimes if it's cold out, you'll notice that it's harder to put in. That if you warm up the ear seal, it'll make it a little more pliable and easier to press inside the slot. I'm going to do the same to the second one. Simply pop that one out and pop the new one in. Again, starting at the top of that ear seal and working my way around. It is important through each step of this, after you fully seat it, is to test it on your head to make sure you got it at the right spot. By doing this, you'll make sure that you don't accidentally lose an ear seal in flight, which would be an unfortunate situation. Next up is the headband. You'll notice on your new headband there's these little slots in the middle, and those are what holds your old headband on. So to pull this one off, all we do is take good firm hold of the edge, and if you want to peel it back, you help get your finger underneath there, and you just peel it off. You'll hear it snap, and right off it comes. The new headband is going to have to be pressed right back on. Again, I like turning the headset upside down, finding those slots, and then push it in. You'll kind of hear it snap or feel it snap into place. When you're all done, you should notice that the edge of the headband is fully seated into the headset. If it's up a little bit, that just means you haven't fully pushed it down on that headset. And again, just try it on and make sure it feels right. Last but not least is the mic muff, and that's this piece right here. To remove it, you just pull it right off. Lightspeed puts these little prongs on the side to help keep the mic muff on, so you might have to work your way around that. But then you can put a new mic muff on, and it just slides into place. We've replaced all three of the wearable items on this headset, and it's going to feel quite a bit better than it did before. You can find the refresher kit online at sportys.com.